following is an activation of the emergency alert system. The Texas Division of Emergency Management has requested this alert to deliver an urgent public announcement for citizens in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex area. This message was broadcast at 6:32 p.m. Central Time on November 9, 2043, effective until 8:30 p.m. Central Time on November 9, 2043. Please follow the information that will be shown on your device. This is a civil danger alert. Please pay attention. A significant surge of widespread technological failures have been occurring across various areas within the Metroplex. Throughout the past hour, reports of smart devices, vehicles, and household appliances have been experiencing sudden failures and errors. These malfunctions have resulted in serious accidents as vehicles lose control due to system failures. Furthermore, instances of electronic devices, such as smartphones, have been reported to be exploding, leading to dozens of injuries to citizens near the devices. These malfunctions have also extended into vital sectors, with medical equipment reportedly ceased functioning, resulting in several tragic fatalities. At this time, the cause of these widespread errors are unknown. However, this is a rapidly evolving situation and urgent action must be taken to ensure your safety. If you are able to, please turn off all smart devices and appliances immediately. Shutting these devices down could potentially reduce the risk of sudden failure and further harm. If you are currently driving, pull over immediately and turn off the vehicle, as these likely have the ability to malfunction and cause crashes. The Federal Investigation Agency and Texas Department of Public Safety will conduct an investigation into the causes of these sudden failures. Public safety is our crucial priority. Please stay tuned to official news or digital sources for more information. Thank you for your cooperation. This emergency message has now concluded.